Hello everyone, this is the next video of Big Data Analytics, that is second video in Big Data Analytics. In my first video I have told you about introduction to Big Data and its importance. Now in this video we are going to learn about 4 V's of Big Data. Okay, let's see what is the 4 V's of Big Data. Here we have 4 V's of Big Data, that is volume, variety, velocity and veracity. Okay, these are the 4 V's of the big data. Let's see one by one. Here volume is a amount, it specifies about the amount of data, and here in variety it refers to types and sources of data, and in velocity it will explain about the speed of the data, and veracity means quality and trust. Okay, let's see one by one clearly in detail. First one is volume. What is meant by volume here? This is the first V of big data. In volume, it refers to the sheer size of data. That means n numerous size of data. We already know that in big data, the big data name itself saying that we have number of data we can store in the data storage. Okay, so this volume refers to the sheer size of the data, and this big data involves handling large amount of data, often in the order of terabytes, petabytes and even exabytes. That means this volume shows how much the data is containing. Okay, it shows the volume of the data, and this could be data from various sources such as social media, sensors or business transactions. Okay, this refers to the sheer size of data, and this big data involves handling large amounts of data, that is terabytes, petabytes and even exabytes. Let's see here this side image, that is big data volume, increasing data amount, handling terabytes to petabytes. Okay, to handle the up to terabytes to petabytes or even the exabytes also. Here 1 TB is equals to 1012 bytes. Okay, and this all the theory means it will store this amount of data into a data storage. Okay, this volume specifies how much the data and what is the data size. Okay, this shows the volume. And the next V is variety. This variety shows what are the varieties of data we are storing, how many varieties are there in the data. Okay, let's see here we have 3 types of data varieties. I already told in the first video, that is structured, semi-structured and unstructured. So variety describes the organization of the data, including whether the data are structured, semi-structured or unstructured. By this variety we can describe the data whether it is structured, unstructured or semi-structured. Okay, describes the diverse types of data that can be encountered in big data environments. Okay, next, data comes in various formats such as structured like relational databases, semi-structured like XML or JSON, and unstructured like text, images, videos. Okay, dealing with this variety poses challenge in terms of storage, processing and analysis. This variety defines about the what are the data we are storing, that is structured, unstructured or semi-structured. The data will be shown in the variety V. Okay, and next is velocity. What is meant by velocity here? Velocity refers to the speed at which the data is being generated, collected and processed. That means this velocity defines the speed of the data and which is being collected and generated or processed. With what it generated or collected or processed? With the advent of the internet and smart devices, data is being created and captured at an unprecedented rate. Okay, by daily usage of mobile phones or smart devices or internet, will get a sum of the data which is very huge. Okay, that huge data speed we can calculate by using the velocity. This defines the speed of the data. Every click, swipe, like and share is contributing to the ever growing pool of the data. Whatever we do in our daily life by using the mobile phone, that is click, swipe, like and share, is contributing the ever growing pool of data. That means it is considering some of the data when you are swiping or like or share, and is essential to able to extract meaningful insights from this data in the real time. Okay, we are going to extract the meaningful data from this real time data. This shows the speed of the data, that is called velocity, and this is the third V in the big data. And the last one is veracity. This veracity means it will shows whether the data is quality, shows the quality of the data, whether it is good or not, whether it is trust or trustworthiness, and what is the data it is taking. Okay, veracity in big data means the quality, accuracy and the reliability of the data. Okay, big data often includes data from different sources with varying degrees of accuracy and trustworthiness. It shows whether the data is trustable or not, and whether it is containing some qualities or not, good quality or not. It shows in the veracity. Ensuring data veracity is essential for making reliable decisions and drawing meaningful insights. Okay, so in this image, veracity means uncertainty of data. Here it will show whether it is a trust or not. Okay, by using the veracity we can easily find that it is a good quality data or not, and it have good accuracy or not, and what is the reliability of the data. Okay, this shows by the veracity. Now we have learnt about 4 V's, that is volume, variety, velocity and veracity. This 4 V's defines what is the data and how the structure of the data, and what is the speed of the data, and what is the quality of the data. By these 4 V's we can easily learn about the volume, variety, velocity and veracity. Okay, thank you.